Don't forget what I teach you, my son. Always remember what I tell you to do. My teachings will give you long and prosperous life. Never let go of your faithfulness and loyalty. Tie them around your neck, write them in your heart. If you do this, both God and man will be pleased with you. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Never lean on your own understanding. Remember the Lord in everything you do, and He will show you the right way. Never let yourself think that you are wiser than you are. Simply obey the Lord and refuse to do wrong. If you do this, it will be like a good medicine, healing your wounds and easing your pain. Honor the Lord by making Him an offering from the best of all that your land produces. If you do, your barns will be filled with crops, and you will have too much wine to be able to store it all. When the Lord corrects you, my son, take it as a warning. The Lord corrects those He loves, as a father corrects a son of whom He is proud. Wisdom. Happy is the man who becomes wise, who gains understanding. There is more profit in it than there is in silver. It is worth more than gold. It is more valuable than jewels. Nothing you could want can compare with it. Wisdom offers you wealth and honor. Wealth and honor. Wisdom will make your life pleasant and can lead you safely through it. Those who become wise are happy. Wisdom will give them life. The Lord created the earth by His wisdom. By His knowledge, He set the sky in its place. His wisdom caused the rivers to flow and the sky and the clouds to pour rain on the earth. Thank you.
Dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him I will trust. Surely He shall deliver you from the snare of the fowler and from the perilous pestilence. He shall cover you with His feathers, and under His wing you shall take your refuge. His truth bears shield and buckler. You shall not be afraid of terror by night, nor of the arrow that flies by day, nor of the pestilence that walks in the darkness, nor of the destruction that lays waste at noonday. 1,000 will fall at your side and 10,000 at your right hand, but it shall not come near you. Only with your eyes shall you look and see the reward of the wicked. Because you have made the Lord, who is my refuge, even the Most High your habitation. No evil shall befall you, nor shall any plague come near your dwelling. For He shall give His angel charge over you to keep you in all your ways. They shall bear you up in their hands. These shall dash foot against the stone. You shall tread upon the lion and the cobra, the young lion and the serpent you shall trample underfoot. Because He has set His love upon me, therefore I will deliver Him. I will set Him on high, because He has known my name. He shall call upon me, and I will answer Him. I will be with Him in trouble. I will deliver Him and honor Him. In long life I will satisfy Him and show Him my salvation. Thank you.